In today's fast-paced retail world, efficiency and accuracy are key. What if you could connect your Retail Management Hero, RMH, system with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central effortlessly? Introducing x2x RMH Business Central Integration Modules, your bridge to smarter operations. x2x Integration Modules offers synchronized sales transactions, purchase orders, and inventory adjustments in real time. Update pricing, discounts, and promotions across platforms instantly. Access detailed, consolidated reports for better decision-making. Enjoy flexible data mapping tailored to your business needs. x2x RMH integration modules empower your business by streamlining operations and reducing manual work, enhancing inventory accuracy and customer satisfaction, providing real-time financial and operational insights to drive growth. The integration is simple and effective. Sales data flows from RMH to Business Central instantly. Inventory and purchase orders stay up to date in real time. Financial data is consolidated, giving you a 360-degree view of your business. Ready to elevate your retail operations? Contact us today to learn more about x2x RMH Business Central Integration Modules and how they can revolutionize your business.